Hello, teacher.
Hello, Peter. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, how's everything going, Peter?
I'm going to my cousin's house in Da Nang, and I'm in her house.
Oh, that's really great because you are in her house. Is that the cousin that visited your house last time?
Yeah, my
Ah,
cousin visit my house, and now I visit her house. Teacher,
oh, very good.
you want to
Uh-huh.
see? Do you want to see my grandpa?
Oh, sure. This okay, sure.
It is it.
Oh, wait, which one?
He
Oh, hold on, I cannot see it. I cannot see your
is
grandpa.
because died.
I'm sorry.
Because he died.
Oh, I'm so sorry to
Hello,
hear that. Send my condolences to your family.
it's my cousin.
Yeah, my deepest
Hello, teacher.
sympathy to you and your family, Peter. That's why you are in your cousin's house because your grandpa died, right?
My grandpa died uh, one 1 years ago.
Oh, oh, you mean a
One,
year ago?
no,
One
three
year?
years ago. 3 years
Oh,
ago.
ah, I thought your grandpa died today. So you are just like remembering her death anniversary. Is that right? Oh,
He
yeah,
died
same thing in here
three
too.
years ago.
Ah, I thought that it happened just this week. Okay, so anyway, yeah, we also have that kind of culture where we would still celebrate the death anniversary or
Teacher,
just to remember the death anniversary of our loved ones who died.
teacher, my
Mm.
grandpa, my grandpa went uh, at a war,
Ah, okay. So he fought for the war, right?
but she, but he um after he he don't died and he go home, but now he died
Ah,
because
okay.
very old.
I see. All right. So what was the job of your grandpa? Was he a soldier, a police officer?
No, what? My a people of America catch him to for a war of America, but uh, but he teacher wait me.
Okay.
Okay. A soldier of America, a soldier of America catch him to go to America and fight for America. And
Mm.
when the end of a war, he go home.
Okay. So wow. Yes, so your grandpa is truly a hero for your country. Hi.
Hello,
Your cousins look so cute.
teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hi. Ah, what's your name?
My name Alex.
Oh, hello, Alex. It's nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, that's great because you know how to speak English. How old are you? Wow. Okay. What's the weather right now, Alex? What's the weather right now?
He don't know that question.
Ah, okay. So, Alex, what are you doing there?
What? Là
What are you
em
doing there?
làm gì? He didn't know.
It's all right, but it's good because he knows how to speak basic English, right? And he understands basic questions. Okay. So anyway, Peter, as we agreed last time, we're going to discuss first.
He better than his older sister.
Ah, so that was his older sister, the one that stayed in your house, right?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's why they look
He
the
stay in my
same.
house.
For yeah. Yes. Okay, so anyway, Peter, as we agreed last time, we're going to learn first before we talk. Okay, so let's get started. Unit 8 is all about school subjects. Okay, now look, listen, and repeat. We have here fact.
Fact.
Fact. Very good. So when we say fact, what does it mean?
That that a thing that is known to be true, especially when it can be proven.
Very good. And we have, oh, so when we say fact, that means it is true and proven. Okay, now next we have past.
Past.
Okay, what do you mean by past?
Past is the time have gone by thing that happened in our times.
Yeah, so the things that happened already in the past, just like yesterday, last night, last week, that's the past. So let's make a sentence using each of the word, Peter. So we have here fact. One of the greatest fact is the sun rises in the east. So what's your sentence?
Teacher. Did your grandpa Olive teacher?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have your grandpa right now?
No, all my grandparents died already. So, like the two of my grandparents died before I was born. And
Your grandparents don't go.
yeah, both of my parents' side, like their parents died before I was born. So I haven't get a chance to see my grandparents. Oh, actually, I've seen my mother's side, like the grandpa and grandma from my mother's side. I know them, but now they died. Okay, so they died
So,
when I was in high
how
school. So it
about
has
your
been a long time.
parents? How
How
about your
old?
parents?
My dad, of course, my parents are still alive. My dad is 59 years old, and my mom is, I think, 54 years old.
54 years old. He's so
Yeah.
young.
Really? That's young? Okay. Yeah.
He,
Okay, so anyway,
he,
uh-huh.
he have a little son of my dad. No, my dad.
Ah,
My dad,
okay.
57 years old. 75 years old.
57, right?
No, I write it.
Like this one, 75?
No,
Okay.
75. No, 75. Yes, I write
Ah, 57. That is actually 57.
it. Which is teacher. Mm, my 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 dad little brother have three have three children. One is a girl and two is a boy.
Ah, okay. Well, that's nice, Peter. Thank you for sharing that one. So now next we have here practice. So when we say practice, that means to do an activity or train regularly so that you can improve your skill. So just like what you're doing, you are talking, sharing about your thoughts, sharing about your life. So that is a practice for you for your speaking skill, to practice your speaking skill because you want to improve your speaking skill in English. So that is practice. Now, next, Peter, we have here instrument.
Teacher,
What is
teacher,
instrument?
teacher, I have a book of dragon.
What kind of book is that?
It's 3D dragon.
Wow, very
Do you see
good.
that?
Oh, yeah, I see that. Okay, so where did you buy it? In the bookshop?
No, I buy it in here
Oh,
in
very good.
a Blaney. Name is
Oh,
O I N. Like that.
oh wow. Wow, that's really great, Peter. Okay, so
But
now,
it's so expensive. It's
how much is it?
hundred my 100,000 now, and my mom thought can is more cheap and đừng có phá nó coi.
Okay, 100,000 dong,
and my and
right?
my mom and my mom uh, talk tough can eat more cheap and the people who sent the book say 70,000 dollars.
Oh, very good. Okay, so
By
yeah.
70,000 dollars.
Oh yeah, not that expensive at all. Like that is like almost $5. Yes.
But
Okay.
teacher,
Yes, that's right. Uh-huh.
do you think it's expensive?
I'm sorry.
Do you think it's expensive?
For a book, not really.
No, it's only two paper and a dragon.
Ah, yes, of course. If it's only like that, then yeah, that is expensive.
But
Yes.
it's
What
really
makes
beautiful.
what
It's
makes it
really
special is the
beautiful.
3D dragon. That's why it is
Like
expensive.
it can in the fact it can open and close and dragon is into the book.
That's right. Okay, so
It
what
have
kind of
uh,
uh-huh.
a dragon here.
Yes. Okay. So what does the dragon symbolize in Vietnam?
Symbolize how okay, I write for you.
Okay. Like what does it symbolize? Like for example, like the year of the dragon symbolizes that you are strong, you are courageous, you are brave, like that. What about in Vietnam? What does the dragon symbolizes? What does it represent?
Ah, um, it's strong, and a little of scary and strong,
Oh
brave,
wow.
strong and
Well,
brave,
that's really
cool,
great, Peter. Yeah, same thing
and
with the dragon from
and
China.
can make a fire of its mouth.
Yes, like they can with a fire. Okay, thank you for
Teacher,
sharing that one. Uh-huh.
do you want to have one?
Oh, sure. Are you going to give me one?
There's have people have many many animals and also Pikachu. Do
Oh,
you know Pikachu?
wow. Yes, I know Pikachu. Like the yellow cartoon, right? Yes.
Pokemon.
Yeah, Pokemon like that. Okay, there is actually like a Pokemon ball. Do you also play that one? Or the Pokemon
No,
cards?
no. I
Ah,
play
okay.
I played the Pokemon card, but now I didn't play.
Ah,
I
yes.
don't play.
I used to play the Pokemon cards when I was your age too, but now of course I don't play it anymore. Okay. So let's look at the vocab. Uh-huh.
Because my friend played when a time of study, so my my teacher said never play Pokemon card. Never
Ah,
play card.
yes. Yes, that's right. So you are not allowed to play inside the classroom. That's the rule. Because what do we do in the classroom? We learn. Same thing today. What do we do to join this class? We also learn and practice speaking skill. Okay, so let's proceed with instrument. Okay, so what is
Instrument.
instrument, Peter?
Instrument is a thing we can eat. Teacher.
What's
See
that?
my cousin.
What? Oh, don't show it. Don't show it. It's
See my
okay.
cousin.
Yeah, it's okay, but don't show it.
He
That's
don't
normal.
wear a clothes.
Yeah, that's okay. Because he's only 5 years old. Even you, when you were 5 years old, I think your cousins also saw your.
Oh, when I 2 years old, when I come 2 years old, I can I don't I wear a clothes.
Ah,
I
okay.
wear clothes. Don't lie.
Yes. But he's only a baby. Yeah, even Matmat.
No.
Matmat would would take off all his clothes before he goes to the bathroom to take a shower. Yes. How about you? Do you take a shower
When
with all
when
your
in
clothes?
up shower, we need to wear a clothes. But my cousin, when the end of shower, he don't wear clothes and he run away.
Ah, okay, yes. Yeah, but it's all right. I totally understand that one, Peter.
When when he sleep, he
He suck
eat
his thumb.
the
He suck.
finger.
Yeah, thumb suck. That's what we call thumb suck. He sucks his thumb. Yes, because
Uh, did
how about
mama
uh-huh.
like he? Did mama like he?
Oh, Matmat is not the same as him. Matmat will not suck his thumb. But you know what? Before Matmat goes to bed, he has this specific doll that he couldn't go to bed without that doll. He would always look for that doll because he would hug that doll. And you know, before he goes to bed, he would actually like close his eyes and touch that doll. Like that. That's how he sleeps.
I don't understand.
Like for example, do you have a teddy bear or a doll? Like dinosaur? Like that? Oh, don't do that. It's okay, Peter. It's okay,
Why
Peter. It's okay.
he joke me? He joked me.
Yeah, that's all right. If he joins you, that's okay. He just want to see what you're doing inside the class. Yes. Okay. So like for example, Matmat, like Matmat would look for his teddy bear. Yes, and before he goes to bed, he would always look for his teddy bear because he cannot go to sleep without his teddy bear. That's what Matmat do. Okay. So now let's look at the instruments. So some of the examples of instruments are guitar, piano, violin, drums.
Uh,
Do you play any
can you
instruments?
play instrument? Ah, yes.
Yes,
You
I
can play
know.
guitar.
And no, I cannot play the guitar. I don't know how to play the guitar, but I know how to play the drums. But just the basic ones. I'm not a pro in playing the drums.
I can play drums and piano.
Oh, that's really nice. You know what? Piano is is the instrument that I wanted to learn since I was in high school. Yeah, who taught you how to play the piano, Peter?
When I'm 5 years old, teacher what
Okay.
I don't have anything.
All right.
I learn piano when I'm very small.
Oh, that's really great. Okay. And we have in here like tune. So when you play the piano, there is a tune that you have to follow. Okay, a series of musical notes that are sung or played in a particular order to form a piece of music. Okay, like even when you say when you are going to touch the keys in the piano, like dang, 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 like that, then there you are already creating a tune. That is an example of a
This
tune.
is a turn of piano.
Okay.
This is a turn of piano.
Yeah.
This is a turn of piano.
Yes, that's right.
We
White,
need to
black,
set
white,
the
black.
turn to have music.
Yes,
Pyramids
that's
and
right. I know that one. We call them keyboard, right? The keys in piano.
Teacher,
Okay.
in
Mm-hmm.
he have a beach. So when is the last of the end of class, I went to the beach with my cousin, my uncle, and my parents, and
Oh,
my
wow.
uncle wife.
Oh,
My
that's
uncle
really
wife
great.
what is my uncle wife?
Your uncle's wife is what you call your aunt.
Aunt. Aunt.
Like,
Yes, aunt. I remember.
yes.
I did forget.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay, it's all right. Okay, I hope you'll have a great time to be at the beach with them. How many days are you going there?
I don't know.
That's all right, Peter. Okay, so Peter, let's look at the first word in here. We have pyramid. Okay, so pyramid is one of the tourist attraction in Egypt. The pyramids of
Yeah,
Egypt.
teacher.
Uh-huh.
When Matt do up, um, he when Matt do when he laugh noisy, he make a noisy. Did you hit
I don't hit.
his? So who hit him?
Only his mom. I don't hit him.
No. You have a hand to like that.
Yeah, but I don't do that to Mat. But if he's behaving badly, then I have to do
What
it.
is the
But if he
name
just
of
wants to
that?
join, okay,
What is
like you're going to hit him by your hand or give him a slap. Slap. Like to slap him. Like this one, slap.
I and my cousin usually slap my little cousin.
Oh, why do you slap? Don't slap him.
He don't cute. He really dangerous. He hold a pillow and hit my head.
Ah, yeah. So that thing you have to tell it to your aunt, so that
So
your aunt
so
will be the one to discipline your cousin.
I slap him and I slap him and he cried.
Oh, yes. You probably slapped him so bad and so hard. That's why he cried. Yes. Okay. So anyway, let's look at this one pyramid. So a pyramid looks like a triangle, but it's not a triangle at all. This is what we call a pyramid symbol, like that. Okay. And we have an artist. An artist is someone who create things or who create an art. It could be a drawing, a painting, a monument, like that. Okay, they are also like an architect, someone who creates design. They are also artists. And we have a painting in here. A painting uses colors, such as watercolor. What else? Like paintings, like the paint itself, like that. Okay, so do you like painting, Peter?
Um, yes, I like painting.
Wow. Wow, what do you paint?
I spend and people in the cartoon like Conan.
Oh,
Do you know him? Conan.
I don't. Oh, Conan, yeah. Oy, Matt actually have a Conan, like a doll Conan. And he cannot sleep without Conan. That's what I was telling you earlier. But since you don't know what a doll is, you were probably thinking like a Barbie. So it is
Conan.
Conan, whom
Conan
Matt
dog.
cannot sleep with. Like a Conan doll, like that. Yes. Conan is wearing
Oh,
like a big eyeglass, right? Yes. Okay.
his full name is Shinichi. Kuro Shinichi.
Ah, I don't know about that one. I only know him for Conan. Okay, anyway, Peter, like it's already time, so we will just end here. Okay, I hope you'll have a great stay in your cousin's house. Have a good night and see you next week. Bye, Peter.
Bye, teacher Sunita.
Bye.